My company is called CFO Connect. We've been in business for almost 20 years now. We do everything and anything that requires CFO input. So we do a lot of financial planning for the company. We'll do, equity raises. We'll do merger and acquisitions and so forth. Well, I had a client assignment called Mantra Bio. And when I signed on, they had already were utilizing the services of Scrub. And so my mantra is to really come in and try not to make too many changes. I try to focus on the areas that need improvement and try to pull them up. What I found was that I really did like what Scrub was doing. They did a really good job. As we began to have requirements for an outside auditor to come in and audit, I was pretty close with the team in doing our audits for the first year. But by the second year, I was pretty confident that Nikki and the crew were doing a good job. And so I handed over a lot of responsibility to the Scrub team, and they were able to do that pretty well. Well, I think Scrub has helped in that they're very reliable, very detail-oriented, and generally on time with publishing financials. The financial packages that Scrub puts together are pretty comprehensive, and so I really like those. It includes all the bank statements and everything, so that there's just no question to the reader. So from that regard, I'm really confident in the data that I get from Scrub. It also helps with our auditors. So, the investors will require that we have an audit. And if the financial reports are detailed and accurate enough, using correct accounting principles, the audit will go fast and smooth. It's good to have good, solid internal controls, good, solid accounting, financial reporting. So the value to me is I can go to Scrubbed and say, all right, hey, I got a new client, let's set them up, let's get going. I know everybody there. Each one of the team members that worked with me were a delight to work with. I found them very straightforward, very, very punctual. From that regard, I'm really confident in the data that I get from Scrub.